People, now welcome to another episode. This episode na IGB dey the mic today, and today we go dey review the English Premier League 2024-2025 season. Make we know who dey go in, who dey come in. Make we know how the season go dey start, how the season go dey go. The season go start on Friday. Na Manchester United, the red half of Manchester, and they go start the season for us this year with Fulham for Old Trafford. Before the other games come up on Saturday, Sunday, and on Monday match still dey. But before then, make we still talk about wetin don sup so far for the transfer window. Defending champions Manchester City, they don sell their striker and this one striker this time na the World Cup winner, the guy wey win Champions League, he win almost all the trophy wey dey available to am for England and the guy na Argentine international Julian Alvarez. The one go Atletico Madrid. That one na one of the surprise of the transfer window, but no be really surprise if you see reason on one side because the guy don dey talk say he wan comot ever since. He say he no dey get enough playing time based on Haaland Guardiola dey always dey use, so the guy no dey happy. But so far the defending champion don sign one winger, Savinho. The guy come in against Manchester United for the Community Shield for Wembley, left footer, still do well on the inside Then runner up Arsenal wey get the best defense for the league last season. They no just relax they say no, they wan lock the defense and they go find Italian international buy from Bologna, Riccardo Calafori. Then they buy the guy na one of Italy best defender for the Euros 2024, the Italian international. Then Arsenal come confirm Raya, their goalkeeper of last season, wey win Golden Glove. They come confirm a deal. Say last season alone a deal, but this season they come buy am fully. Then Arsenal come sell their youth products, Emile Smith Rowe, go give Fulham. Smith Rowe here come be Fulham record signing. The guy dey leave because according to am, he want playing time, lack of best in football. Arsenal still get some players when they just see go free transfer. They no too play last season for them. Some of them go loan. Some of them still dey. Maybe say they hope say before the transfer window they go comot, like Eddie Nketiah, Nelson. Those one are players when Arsenal dey hope say before the transfer window go end, they go comot. They link Arsenal with Euro winner Moreno for Real Sociedad, the Spanish international. But so far they never confirm anything. Manchester United, the red half of Manchester, they don't spend the money this summer. They buy. I'm not sure say they will buy finish. Their first big money movement they use another Euro, Ali defender, 18 years old, wonderful defender. Big money signing, Manchester United they sign am. But they can't go get injury for the preseason match against Arsenal for US. Man United no rest for there. They go Bayern Munich. They buy two defenders. And one of them, when they still buy na Delete. Delete na one of the top defenders those days for Europe, that Ajax golden team. But he can't lose the shirt last season. He not to come play for Bayern Munich. So Bayern Munich don't sell am now. Man United no pressure for there. They don't buy Zeki one forward for Bologna. Play for Bologna last season. Still go Euros. He play for Netherlands. Yeah, Man United can still get some kind of ass going. Greenwood don't go permanent D to Marseille. Then one Bissaka don't go back to London as he signed for West Ham. Then the blue hat of London, Chelsea. Those are no good rest. So Chelsea so far don't sign 9 players this summer. Some of the notable names they don't sign this summer are Neto from Wolves, the Portuguese, and they don't sign They can still sign one player from Leicester, Hall, and we name. But they can still make some sellings at the sign medicine. Midday Borussia Dortmund last season on loan. They can still give us some Villa. They can still get their own guy. We name as Hall when they say go Newcastle. Thiago Silva, as the contract expire, he say no dey renew and go back to Brazil. Liverpool so far they start their life under their new coach. So far Liverpool never sign anybody but they don't say Fabio Carvalho go Brentford. Tottenham Hotspur, they don't make their record signing as they sign Solanke from Bournemouth. But Solanke scored 25 goals last season for Bournemouth. They can still make another big money move as they sign Gray from Leeds. Then they can still say one player so far. They don't say some, but one of the notable names na Emerson Royal when go AC Milan. And some Villa when be say go they start their first ever season from UEFA Champions League. They don't spend some money they don't sign 8 players. The notable 8 they don't buy so far now Onana from Everton, Ian Martin from Chelsea, Then Rose Barkley from Luton Town. Then they don't sign, no. They still sign some make players, but that was one of the notable names. Then they still say, but the notable names we don't come on at Diaby. Pacey winger Diaby don't go Saudi Arabia League. Then Douglas Luiz, that one na one of the shocking transfer. Don't go Juventus. That one of the guys who hold their midfield last season. So this season, how this season go turn out, go finish top 4, we go Europe, we go Europa League, we go Conference League, we go win the league. Oh, now wetin we dey look for, we dey hope, we dey see. The Premier League dey considered the best league in the world, but e dey always dey live to a billion. The upsets, the surprises, the goals, everything, the beautiful football. And here you go for sale. The new teams may only come the English Premier League for the Championship, and Leicester City, Ipswich Town, Southampton. With the hope say they go deliver, they go fit stay or they go. So far, we dey hope so. Maybe we dey see how they go take perform. Leicester City won the Championship last season. They go fit perform as they don't come back again to the Premier League. For the comment section, drop your opinion, drop your prediction of who go finish top 4, who they will win the league, who go Conference League, who go Europa League. As I don't yarn about who they sign and who they say, make I come yarn about who I feel say go finish for top 4, who go win the title. My own prediction I say Arsenal go finally win the title this season. Then the top 4 will come include Manchester City. Chelsea go surprise people, even if people they feel say they just they buy. Chelsea go finish there. Then Man United go come complete for the top 4. Normal, Liverpool go see go Europe again next season. But I dey feel say na Europa League they go. But relegation, if I dey reason relegation, na Ipswich Town. For my preview so far, Ipswich Town go back. Nottingham Forest, if they fit keep Awoniyi fit, they go do things. But if they not fit keep that guy fit, this season they go get issue. Na your last minute they take escape and last season. Those two things na me the reason. But Leicester, I expect Leicester to stay back. That one of the two things wey me dey feel say go still go relegation. Southampton never really join their team like that, so make we see how e go be. Till I go come una way next time, my people. Una do.